Okay, today is March 23, year 2025. We are here at Park and Wildlife. Actually, it's Ninoy Aquino Park and Wildlife. Okay? Yeah, there's siya. Yeah. Okay, ha? Sige. May battery alarm ka?
Wala, hindi ako naglagay ng battery alarm.
Ay, lagi ka ng battery alarm kasi hindi masisira yung battery. Ay, hindi kang bahala. Sige. Galing, di ba? Walang sinabing UP natin. UP natin. Siguro 4 times the size. Di ba? Hindi mo pa nga linalayo dun eh. Sige mo battery alarm kasi pag over discharge hindi na babalik yan.
Figure 8.
Okay. Huwag lang ito do. Time to time, mamaya test natin yung temperature kung ano ilang. Kasi hindi rin pwede sobrang tagal ma-overheat yung ESC mo. There, you've been flying for buti ngayon cloudy ngayon, no? Cloudy. Siya using gandang transmitter din to. Tingnan, layo mo nga doon. Ay, dapat not so fast, not so slow pala, hindi siya bouncy, very bouncy siya yan, dapat hindi siya bouncy Never pa yan na-charge?
Never pa na-charge to. Kanina pa ako hindi ko pa na ilaro. Okay.
Okay, that's about it. Mamaya charge natin.
Sige.
Okay, that's about it.